Boogie Woogie, I hate you!
Never mind. Oh my god.
Come here, Boogie! You're not gonna go Boogie Woogie after this one!
Are you gay, Charlie?
Yes.
Yes?
Boogie Woogie.
Hell yeah.
Boogie Woogie, come here!
Oh my god, he's like running for his life.
Go run, Boogie! I will always be one step behind you.
You sound like some sort of yandere now. Stop, stop.
Boogie Woogie, you know you can't hide. And you know you can't run.
Oh my god, his face though.
We'll
Wait, what the fuck is that?
We'll always be
Why do you like that man? He's so scary.
Kiss me!
Jesus Christ.
This video has been demonetized.
Demonetized. Hit that demonetization button.
Oh, no, noob. Hit the report button. I'm going to,
yeah, hit that report button so I don't get money off my videos. But seriously, I can't get money off my videos anyway.
I am breaking up with you. You shouldn't have ditched me for that other man. It's Drip.
It's Drip. He probably has a mic and he can just whip out that mic button and just say, hey, what's up?
The mic button?
The mic button.
Hey guys, hit that mic button down below so I don't get the... It's Drip!
No!
I've always hated you. It's
He's
Drip.
killing his man.
I only want... the only person I
Oh,
want
Warrior
alive-
XX is like dead.
Oh, shit!
Oh no!
Fuck! I don't like this.
Well, you're fucking dying.
Fuck. It's a fuck. All the fuck we go. Fucking all the way. Fuck. Oh,
Look at the camera.
I'm in a shitty situation. I can't get out of it.
Beautiful.
Oh, shitty dicks. I can't get out of this.
No, stop. I know the camera likes ass, but no.
But then we gotta go. Ho, Merry Christmas. I'm gonna fucking die. I'm not gonna make it. Neither is my team. Ho, better start running. I was almost there. Well, fuck that, Joe. Shit. It's Drip, please help me. I regret what I said, so fucking help me.
Nope, nobody's helping you.
Fucking help me. You'll be part of my song if you help me.